Unlock the convenience of paying with Revolut in-store seamlessly, making every transaction smooth and secure. First, ensure you have an active Revolut physical card or have added your Revolut virtual card to your mobile wallet. To pay with your phone, simply add your Revolut card to Apple Pay or Google Pay by opening your respective wallet app, tapping the Add Card option, and following the on-screen prompts for your Revolut card details. Once added at checkout, just hold your phone near the contactless terminal. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Remember to be aware of transaction limits for larger amounts. You might be prompted to enter your physical card's PIN even when using contactless or mobile payments. For enhanced security, within the Revolut app, you can instantly freeze your card if it's lost, view your card details securely, and manage various security settings like MagStripe payments or ATM withdrawals. With these steps, paying with Revolut in-store is effortless, fast, and secure for all your retail purchases.